Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of CapCut editing, specifically how to take your videos from slow and steady to fast-paced and exciting. Let's get started. First things first, open the CapCut app, then tap the plus icon to start a new project. And import the video you want to speed up. Now, find your video clip on the timeline at the bottom. Once you tap on the clip, a menu will appear at the bottom. Look for the option labeled Speed. That's our ticket to faster footage. Here's the beauty of CapCut. Simply tap Speed. Here you will see two options. For now, tap on Normal, and a slider will pop up. Slide it to the right to choose your desired speed. You can go from a casual 2x all the way up to a crazy 100x. Experiment and see what works best for your video. I will choose 1.5 on my video. Hold on a sec. Speeding up your video might also affect the audio. If you hear that chipmunk effect, don't panic. Right below the speed slider, you'll see a toggle for Preserve Pitch. Keep this on to maintain the original sound of your video, even at faster speeds. But what if you only want to speed up a specific section within your video? CapCut's got you covered. Tap Speed again, and this time choose Curve. Here, you can create a custom speed graph, speeding up specific parts and keeping others at normal speed. And that's it! With CapCut's easy-to-use speed controls, you can now create dynamic and engaging videos with just a few taps. Thanks for joining this quick tutorial. If you enjoyed learning how to speed up videos in CapCut, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. Until next time, happy creating!